Hi, I'm Mr. Worker.
Looking for the best digital torque wrenches? Here are 6 professional models. The STAHLWILLE MANOSKOP 730D delivers exceptional accuracy, data storage, and digital performance for aerospace, automotive, and industrial applications. The MANOSKOP 714R combines torque and angle measurement with programmable settings, making it ideal for advanced assembly operations. The compact SENSOTORK 701 offers outstanding precision for low-torque applications in electronics and precision engineering. The SENSOTORK 713R features torque and angle control, a high-definition display, and flexible configuration. The MANOSKOP 730D with insert tool mount provides maximum versatility, repeatability, and intelligent torque management for professional users. The MANOSKOP 9650902 offers 4 measuring modes, programmable sequences, and complete torque traceability.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.